Hi friends, my name is Abhiman Bhattacharjee. As you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this beautiful book is The Laws of the Spirit World. Okay, so as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making this video on each and every topic so you people can understand in a better way. Okay, and in our last topic, I have covered the topic called why you choose to be born on Earth, and in this topic, I am going to cover the topic called why you dread death. Okay, so and friends, what I'm doing is I'm giving each and number to each and every video so that you people can understand. If you come in sequence wise, you will understand in a better way. So as this is a 60-second number video, 62 number video, okay, and do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video you will get the notification, friends. Okay, so I will start. Okay, and the name of the topic is why you dread death. Okay, after you are born on earth, you enjoy your life so much that you dread death. Some people do not even want to leave earth when they are stuck with their old aching body. What is this? Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling when we come in this existence in this earth, so we are this much attached to our earthly body that we even when the time comes of the death, even when we become old, our body start aching, but still we do not want to leave the body because we are so attached with this body. So what's this? There's a question. Let's see what's the answer. This is because in their heart of hearts, they know where they will land once they die in your world. Because many people know after the death where we are going to land in the hearts of their hearts. So they do not want to leave the body. They are afraid to die because they are sure they will be in dark lower realm. So because they don't want to die because they know once they are dead they are going to go in the dark lower realm. So they try to hold on to their life, but when your physical body refuses to function, the soul must leave that's decaying temporarily physical home. Whether you like it or not, you have to die on the earth. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us. So at the time when the death comes, right? So whether we like or without we do not like, we have to die. We have to leave our body because it is true, if we commit wrong things in our life we are going to go in the dark lower realm. In the same time we should understand that when the body refuses to stay in this it is our physical home for a certain period of time, we should accept our death. We should think that yes, the time is over, now we should leave, right? There are some people on earth who have been brainwashed into thinking that death is horrible thing. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling there are many people on the earth who have brainwashed us by telling that death is a very horrible thing. But that is wrong. Death is a very beautiful experience and death is a very beautiful thing. They are even afraid of the word death. It is near impossible to rid them of this fear. Here Vipsi and Ratu is telling many souls in our earth, even they afraid the word death. Even if they heard the word death, they are so afraid. And they struggle to live longer on the earth. When such good souls depart from your world and arrive in the spirit world on the higher planes, they are surprised to see a beautiful harmony and love on realm 5th, 6th and 7. That's they regret their fear. So here many beautiful souls who have always did very beautiful things in their life, when they arrive in such a good place, like in the such a good higher realm like 5th, 6th and 7th, so they are surprised. They see that what a beautiful place is this. I was afraid in death, but my goodness, this place is such a beautiful, heaven is very beautiful. So they get surprised and they get happy and they feel that never we are going to afraid death, because they also feel surprised how heaven could be this beautiful, even which we do not even think in our dreams. Okay friends, so this topic came to an end. So in our this topic I have covered the topic called why you dread death, and in next topic I'm going to next video I'm going to cover the topic called suicide is a sin, right? So friend, as I always say, this book is this book and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every video on each and every part so you people can understand in a better way, friends. Okay, so our this video comes to an end. Do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like the video, so whenever I update a new video you will get the notification. And friends, always stay blessed, always do good karma in your life. So when we come in spirit world, we'll meet with each other and say, yes, I used to see your videos and now today we are here. Okay, bye friends. This being ends to this video. We will meet you in the next video. Okay, till then, goodbye friends.